Hello and welcome to SAYED'S Biology. Let's talk about the rest of the anatomy of respiratory system in the animal model. Trachea. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a tube-like structure made of cartilage rings and smooth muscle. It runs from the larynx down to the bronchi and carries air to and from the lungs. The length and diameter of the trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles vary from animal to animal. Bronchi. The trachea divides into two branches called the bronchi, which then divide further into smaller bronchioles. The bronchi are also lined with cartilage rings and smooth muscle, which help to maintain their shape and control airflow. Bronchioles. The bronchioles are the smallest air passages in the respiratory system, and they branch off from the bronchi. Unlike the bronchi, the bronchioles do not have cartilage rings and instead rely on smooth muscle to control airflow. The bronchioles eventually lead to the alveoli, where gas exchange takes place. Lungs. The lungs are the primary organs of respiration and are located in the chest cavity. In cattle, there are two lungs, each divided into lobes. The right lung has 4 lobes, while the left lung has 2 lobes. Let's learn the lobes of the right lung first. Apical lobe. This lobe is located in the upper part of the lung and is divided into 2 parts. One is the cranial part, which is directed cranially, and the other is the caudal part, which is directed caudally. Middle lobe or cardiac lobe. This lobe is located in the middle part of the right lung and is smaller than the cranial lobe. Caudal lobe or diaphragmatic lobe or basal lobe. This lobe is located in the lower part of the right lung and is divided into 2 parts by a fissure. Accessory lobe. This lobe is located in the posterior part of the right lung and is separated from the other lobes by a deep fissure. Now let's learn the lobes of the left lung. Cranial lobe or apical lobe. This lobe is located in the upper part of the left lung and is smaller than the right cranial lobe. Caudal lobe or diaphragmatic lobe or basal lobe. This lobe is located in the lower part of the left lung and is larger than the left cranial lobe. Each lobe of the lung is made up of smaller units called lobules, which contain clusters of alveoli where gas exchange takes place.